Yo, what's up you guys? It's me again, Cole here, back with another video. How many times have I said this? I don't know. I'm gonna try to upload daily once again. It's becoming summertime. So I guess I could try to upload daily again. If not daily, every other day. At least every other week, but I'm gonna try my best to make it daily for you guys. Just comment like things you guys want to watch, because I don't know what you guys want to watch. And yeah, but today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a full on the ground backflip 360. Whew, it's a hard trick. I just got it down on the grass right here the other day. I think it was like last Friday. Yeah, this Wednesday, the day recording this. Yeah, it's a pretty fun trick. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do it right now. So first you're gonna have to know how to do a backflip. If you don't know how to do that, it's alright. I'll be making a video on it soon, and you guys can just watch that and figure it out. It's a backflip. So you just gotta know how to do that pretty good, and then the rest is pretty easy, kind of. So the full, here's what it looks like. Pretty fun trick for sure. It's one of my favorites right now. Yeah, it's really fun. The reason why I did a roundoff. That basically just gives you like a lot of momentum to do it. Like I could do it standing, but I probably won't land it. And so this is like the running way. And so what you're gonna need to know is a backflip, and then you're obviously gonna know how to do it full. I mean, 360. And so I guess to practice that, you just want to jump up. So jump up, pull. And so then you go like this and do that. And the reason why you want to pull up is so you get more air. And then if you pull like that, it just like throws your body to the side, so you can twist a lot faster. So that throws you super high up. That makes you pull fast. And so then you just pretty much add it with a backflip. So I guess you could run, do a backflip, land, 360. So I guess you could do that and then eventually get to the full. So here's what I'm saying right here. So yeah, I guess you could do that, or you could run and do your round off, then you could do it 360, then a backflip. I've done it both ways on trampoline. So I learned it on tramp, and then I eventually started doing that on the floor, and I got it. So then you could either go like this too. Don't recommend that way. It was a lot harder. But I guess you can learn it pretty faster too, if you can figure that out. And so, yeah, that's about it. Just jump up when you're mid-air. Just try to pull, and you'll get the full. So here's what it looks like again. Yeah, it's one of the more scarier tricks for sure. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Hope you guys learn how to do it from that. And yeah, so just work on it. Get down on the tramp first before you do it on the floor. Yeah, I'll be making a new video on how to do a backflip. Guess I'll do a bunch of trick reviews too. So that'll be pretty fun. I'm probably gonna be making merch soon too. I'm not sure yet, but if you guys want some merch, comment down below that you'll buy it. I'm not gonna sell it for like $50 a shirt. Probably like, for our first one, probably like $10. So it's pretty cheap. And then maybe work up from there. So yeah, hope you guys learned this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that good stuff. Yeah, comment down below if you need any like questions on how to do it or anything. So yeah, here's what it looks like one more time. Keep doing it this way. So yeah, again, you just want to pull up, twist. It's pretty fun. Want me to do one standing?
If you want.
We're doing standing real fast. Don't know if I'll land it, it's been a while. So. Ah! I messed up. I'll try it again. Yeah, standing is a lot harder for sure. Just with the roundoff, you get so much more momentum. So yeah, guess that's about it. See ya.